Hi, my name is Rosalie Desmond and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Australia. Today I'm playing around with some new products from the 2018 holiday catalogue, which goes live on the 5th of September. So the stamp set I'm using today is the Merry Christmas to All, and the Merry Christmas to All stamp set has a range of greetings and words that you can put together to make your own sentiment. And the stamp I'm actually going to be using is this one here. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. I just thought it was, quite nice and quite bold. So while most of the sentiments are actually words that you pop together to say what you're after, this is just a big bold one that we can stamp out in one go. The other product that I wanted to show you is this chicken wire. They've called it Chicken Wire Elements. So pretty much what it is some silver bling. Piece I used earlier. So you just pop it out of the frame and then you can use the chicken wire however you choose. So for my card, what I've done is it's gone that way and I've just chopped it in a couple of places. Anyway, let's get on with it. So my card base, I've used Whisper White and I'm using half an A4 sheet of paper and folded in half. Nice and simple. I'm using a piece of Night of Navy at 14 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. It's a standard size that I often use to put on my cards. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so for my background, I've used this swirly bit of stamp and I've just randomly put it over the over the background using Night of Navy ink. Just make sure that your stamp is inked up, and I'm just randomly making some decorations over the back. I'm not even doing very good stamping. You know what? I might actually flip it over and do a better job of it. So each time I ink it up and I go off the edge, and twist it around just however I like. Seem to be going in a bit of a line there, which really isn't what I was after. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now my background is done. So next thing I'm going to do is grab my scissors and just give this a bit of a snip. I'll use that bit for another project later. Just got that bit there. Grab a scrap piece of Whisper White. My main sentiment. Pop it on a clear block. Should have done all my stamping together, but never mind. Make sure it's all linked up. Straight down, give it a bit of a push. Sometimes with your photopolymer you can actually see different, it changes colour when you've pushed it down enough. Quite happy with that image. I'm now going to grab the largest square framelit and cut it out and pop it through the big shot. I'll be back in a moment. Here's my sentiment. Just going to work out where I want to place my chicken wire. There's no two cards are ever the same. I'll grab a piece of tape. You can stick this down however you like. I just found that tape was the easiest for me. See if I've got that straight. I think I do. Where the tape is going to be covered up. My Stampin' Dimensionals. That down wherever you're happy. Then grab some Tombow multi-purpose glue. Pop it on the front, and now I will grab some clear faceted gems. Now some people use their hands to pick these up, some people use a pokey tool. I alternate. I have my scissors handy, so I'm going to use my scissors. And I'm just use the scissors to pry them up and pop them down. Now you'll notice the first one that I made, I put a faceted gem with the sentiment, and that was because I got a smudge of ink from my hand on it, and that's the only reason it's there. The original design was going to be like this. So that is a nice quick card. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've got some inspiration and got to see how a few of the products work. Thank you very much.